Hey friends, today I'm gonna show you like the Nano Banana Pro. So it is amazing and how you can become a Thanksgiving parade balloon. So you can upload an image and the prompt you can use a hyper-realistic cinematic wide shot of a massive cut fun stylized realistic parade balloon shaped like a person above a city street during a Thanksgiving style parade and brightly lit by this sunlight, autumn sunlight, and includes crowds of spectators and colorful confetti. The balloon's teeth or ropes are held by uniform handlers, and you can see when I did, so it's gave me this option, like, see, incredible. It is very, you can see it is very professional and looks very amazing now. Before it was like, like the rectangle size. Now, once you download the image, so it is amazing. The size is now very, HD. So if we download full size image, so you can see this like 6.8 MB. You can see here. This is amazing. See this one, properties, it is like 6.84 MB. And for example, now let me show you once again. You can copy, you can type this prompt and new chat, for example, create image, and here add files, upload files. This is here, describe your image. See, this is also looks amazing. So it's up to you, like which one you want to make. So now we can convert this image into a video. So we can go to the labs.google/flow/about and create with Flow. And here we can start with the new project, and the text to video, we can select frames to video. And here we can upload the image that we just downloaded from the Nano Banana Pro. And you can select landscape or portrait according to your image size. So crop and save. And I will type here like generate a video with the uploaded image. And click here or press enter if you want. So with VEO3 we can convert this image. You can see the one we created, this one, and the one I showed you before, like this one. So both, if we want, like this one. So one Gemini Nano Banana Pro gave me like, portrait, and one they gave me like, landscape. So it's up to me which one I want to convert. So you can use this Nano Banana Pro, the new AI generated, like they have upgraded their AI system. So it's amazing. And you can see how easily you can do, and you can become a Thanksgiving parade balloon. So you can share on social media with your friends, and they can enjoy this, creation. You can see here like this one, the one I created. So if I play it, oh wow. And one, this one option. can also try with this one, and this time we can select like portrait if we want, crop and save. And you can type same thing like generate a video with the uploaded image. Generate a video with the uploaded image. Press enter, and this time it will create like portrait. And this is amazing. This is, honestly speaking, Google is upgrading their AI models and AI platforms, artificial intelligence platforms, and now, very professional and stunning, more professional and stunning things you can generate using Google AI tools. And Nano Bana Pro is one of those amazing tools. So it will take like few seconds and we will have our generated content. And we have the options available now. So if I play the first one, and see this one. Wow, incredible. So you have learned a lot in this video. And thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends. Thank you so much once again.